With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is right. What is a chemical equation? How is it represented? Differentiate between a word equation and a molecular equation with a suitable example. So in this question they are asking us first of all what is a chemical equation, and then we have to differentiate between a word equation and a molecular equation. So first we will see what is a chemical equation. So it is a representation of a reaction that brings in chemical changes. Okay, so we can just write it as it is a representation of a reaction that brings in chemical changes, So this is a simple definition for a chemical equation. So whatever reaction that actually has taken place that has brought about chemical changes, we write that reaction in a single line, either in word form or in molecular form. Okay, so when we represent it in word form, okay, so we what we do is we write down what are the substance, each substance we write down the whole name. Whereas when we represent it in molecular form, what are we going to do is we are just going to write the molecular symbols of each molecules that are used in it. So we will just write like this. So for word equation, what we do is we explain which substance react with which another substance to form a new substance. Okay, so here word equation explains which substance reacts with which other substance reacts with another substance to form a new substance. So to form a new substance, so we don't get a lot of information in word equation. Only this information is received, that we get to know which is the substance that is being reacted, what are the substances that react with each other to give the give what product. Okay, only this much information is obtained in a word equation. Whereas what happens in molecular equation is, in molecular equation we use symbols and formulas with quantities. Okay, so we also show the quantities and we also show in what state the compound is. Okay, if it is in physical, like what physical state it is in, if it is in liquid, solid or gaseous state. Okay, so we also represent that in molecular equation. So you can say that we use symbols and formulas with quantities and formulas. So we are going to represent the same chemical equation, but the difference is we are going to use symbols and formulas with quantities in molecular equation. Whereas in word equation we don't represent these quantities and formulas. We are just going to tell which substance is reacting with which substance to give what substance. Alright, so for an example, for word equation I will write WE. Okay, word equation, see, zinc reacts with sulfuric acid to give zinc sulfate hydrogen. So this is a word equation in which you can clearly see that we are not giving much information. We are just seeing what and all are reacting with what all and what all product we are obtaining. Whereas in molecular equation, what you are seeing is we are going to write the symbols. So symbol for zinc is Zn, okay, which is in solid state, okay, which reacts with H2SO4, which is in aqueous state, or you can say liquid state, and which gives ZnSO4 which is also in aqueous state, and hydrogen gas, that is H2, which is in gaseous state. So this is the molecular equation in which you show the quantity. So here 1 mole of each substances are being reacted and 1 mole of each substances are being produced. Okay, and we also show the physical state of each substance. So these are all in solid. Hydrogen sulfuric acid and zinc sulfate is in aqueous solution, and hydrogen is in gaseous form. So that is the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.